All right. So walking in, this is the view. Off to the right is the first room. Very nice size. Traditional closet with the two separate sections. This is tile flooring. Guest bathroom. Nice granite. Second bedroom. Good size, very comparable to the first front bedroom. This is going to be your coat closet. Your laundry room. Normal, typical garage. Does have some extra storage space in there. That is a massive, beautiful island. So pull out trash. Okay, so these are quiet close and self-closing drawers. Very nice. Same tile all throughout. So let's go check out this section. Another full bath. Storage. Third bedroom. This is the front. We're in the middle section of the home. And then, oh, that's adorable. The master. Big furniture, lots of room. Same countertops. This is a raised vanity. Nice big shower with a ledge. And then I can't get into the whole master closet, but I'm assuming it goes all the way back to the wall of the bathroom. And it's kind of an L shape. So the last piece is going to be the outside.